It's January 7th, 2017, and on this episode of the Crypto Coin Show, I overview the Rchain project, a decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency designed to be highly scalable from the get-go with almost 40,000 transactions per second and running on the proof-of-stake consensus protocol. Could it be the next Ethereum? Stay tuned to find out. I'm Ashton Addison from EventChain.io, and this is the Crypto Coin Show, where I decrypt the facts to keep you on track in the crypto world. Rchain is the work of Greg Meredith, who is a mathematician and developer who created a form of math called row calculus. He was formerly the CTO of Scenario, another blockchain project currently under the ticker AMP. Greg has advised for the Ethereum project and collaborated with proof of stake or POS protocols with Vitalik Buterin and Vlad Zamfir. POS is a newer protocol which is also planned for the Ethereum blockchain. Greg designed Rchain aiming to solve the social, political, and economic problems on a platform capable of coordinating human activity at a high scalable level. Rchain Cooperative and Rchain Holdings, the for-profit entity of the project, are both based in Washington State. And these Rchain guys have had 8 years of studying Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains to understand that right now they can't scale very well. Bitcoin has huge transaction fees, and the network often has over 100,000 pending transactions. And Ethereum cannot scale past more than a few dozen transactions per second, although they are working on these upgrades like Proof of Stake and Casper protocol to scale Ethereum as well. Vlad Zamfir is one of the top developers of Ethereum working on the Casper Proof of Stake protocol, and back in September, Vlad joined the Rchain co-op as well. In my mind, he is one of the greatest minds in crypto, so participation in Rchain development could be game-changing. Early testing of Rchain has proven it is capable of more than 40,000 transactions per second, much higher than Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains are currently capable of. Inside of Rchain, there are a variety of component features. The RHO calculus, which is a mathematical model of computation with formal models of verification for transactions. The Rholang, which is a smart contract programming language. The RHOVM virtual machine, which is similar to Ethereum's EVM virtual machine, and the proof of stake protocol and the nodes that can run public or private blockchains. Rchain is one of the many alternative, programmable, high-capacity blockchains that could potentially take over Ethereum in the future. Other blockchains competing, so to say, with Ethereum and Rchain are Neo, EOS, Cardano, Qtum, and Zilliqa. Rchain has talked about supporting sister chains, the first one maybe being sharesperhour.com. Sister chains are chains that create a mutually beneficial relationship of multiple parties working on the same base. At first communication, they can't talk to each other, but their goal is working on interledger protocols and internal communications between blockchains. They recently also came out with a working node called rchainnode.hello version 0.1. It is the initial milestone release of the node software along their flight to the Mercury release. I'll put a link to their blog post on the announcement in the details down below. As for the Rchain team, Ed Eckholt is the CEO of Rchain Holdings and has led multiple large-scale projects with over 30 years of experience in the technology industry. Greg Meredith is the president of Rchain Co-op and the powerhouse behind Rchain. Kenny Rowe is the Chief Operating Officer and the Head of Operations at MakerDAO, and he is a Senior Consultant at CoinFund. Evan Jensen is the Secretary of Rchain and also the Legal Counsel. And Vlad Zamfir is the most known for his research and design work on the Casper Proof of Stake Consensus Protocol for the Ethereum project, but he is partnering with Rchain to ensure they are highly scalable as well. How Rchain came about originally was through a token swap of AMP tokens in a private presale. The Rchain RHOC ticker is currently listed on the decentralized exchange EtherDelta and also on KuCoin exchange, and when it was listed, it started at about 15 to 20 cents American. As of this video, it is sitting somewhere between $2 and $3 American with a market cap of $350 to $400 million. And this isn't even listed on any of the larger exchanges yet, like Bittrex, Binance, and Poloniex, so you can imagine what may happen to the price after a large listing and after the system fully is created. Are you interested in learning about more upcoming blockchains like Rchain? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. This Crypto Coin Show is sponsored by EventChain SmartTickets. Stop excessive ticketing fees using the Ethereum blockchain by participating in our project at EventChain.io. I'm Ashton Addison, and thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Crypto Coin Show on YouTube to see my next video when I decrypt the facts to keep you on track in the crypto world.